want to share my screen, and I'd like you to talk a little bit more about a couple of these plant extracts. The first one is you mentioned Pau Pereira, right? This is the one.
So yes,
So just so everyone knows,
Spermambulus.
I want you to write this down. Pau Pereira, or it's spelled P-A-U sometimes, Pereira.
Yes.
And people can go to your website and learn more about it, but I just wanted to show the spelling here for everybody so they can write it down. And then, what I saw here, which is really fascinating that you guys discovered, is that it selectively binds to the destabilized DNA in cancer cells. It impedes DNA synthesis and induces cancer cell death by apoptosis, which is exactly what you want your solution to do, right? What I also think is fascinating is that it has synergy with chemotherapies. It can actually improve conventional cancer treatments. And it has antiviral activity, right? So it inhibits viral polymerase. So this is really fascinating research. And so everyone has this. I put it in the chat, but you could write it down. Pau Pereira. And then the other one is the Rauwolfia vomitaria, right? This is the second one you were talking about?
Exactly.
And
yes, and the Rauwolfia
and then
vomitaria also has anti-cancer properties. Yes, so it has also anti-cancer properties. It doesn't have antiviral properties, but it has a different mechanism of action. It blocks the replication cycle of cancer cells selectively. And it has very attracted to the hormonal dependent tissues. So it's a very good complement to the Pau Pereira. And they work together very well. And they work also both in synergy with a number of chemotherapies. That was tested at the time of my father. And then we tested more recently with different new chemotherapies like gemcitabine or carboplatin at Kansas University Medical Center.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So what else do you want to share with us about either of these two? Now, you said together they actually have a synergistic effect when you take them both at the same time?
Yes, because they have a different mechanism of action. Pau Pereira induces apoptosis of cancer cells wherever they are located. And Rauwolfia vomitaria inhibits the replication cycle of cancerous cells, again, wherever they are located. Pau Pereira happens also to be antiviral and is able to cross the blood-brain barrier. And Rauwolfia vomitaria is very specific to hormonal dependent tissues. So an excellent addition when you are looking at breast or prostate cancer, for example. The research that we have done with those two extracts encompasses more actually than cancer. We have tested the Pau Pereira extracts, for example, on pre-cancer inflammation, precancerous cells, cancer cells, advanced cancer cells that do not respond to hormonal treatment, for example, chemical castration for advanced prostate cancer. And we have tested also those extracts on cancer stem cells. That's very, very important, cancer stem cells, because they resist to chemotherapies and they are deemed to be responsible for the relapse of cancer. And since chemotherapies are not able to kill those cancer cells, cancer stem cells, there is not much that conventional medicine has to offer. So it was really, really a breakthrough to show that both Pau Pereira and Rauwolfia vomitaria were able to destroy those cancer stem cells. And we have that in vitro and in vivo on mice, with mice developing absolutely no metastasis. So that's a beautiful line of research, and that can be very, very helpful for people to know that they can. It's one thing to treat cancer; it's another thing to prevent metastasis and the cancer to come back.
We hope you enjoyed this short excerpt from the Health and Healing Club. This entire video, including an in-depth discussion and thoughtful and inspiring questions and answers, is available inside the Health and Healing Club, along with hundreds of hours of premium and exclusive life-changing content, practices, and holistic, natural, and integrative solutions for health and healing. You can start your free trial today at healthandhealingclub.com.